Hello everyone, welcome back to Lao 101 channel, the channel that helps you learn Lao by yourself. Today's lesson is about months of the year. Months in Laos mean เดือน months มังกร January กุมภา February มีนา March เมษา April พฤษภา May มิถุนา June กรกฎ July สิงหา August กันยา September ตุลา October พฤศจิก November ธันวา December. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoy and find it useful. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe for more video like this. If you have any comments, suggestions for improvement, or any topics you want me to cover, please let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. See you next time.